Hello everybody, and welcome again to a new do-it-yourself at home nail art.
Hello everybody, welcome back to a new haul. Do you want to know what haul we're gonna do? It's Model 1 time. Oh my god, my beautiful sassy lovers. I am so excited because yeah, I ordered something. It's so amazing. The first thing I have, I know it's saying Azure, but Azure is like a sister company from Model 1s. Like you can see, this is, excuse me, this is the liquid set for the dip set, and bam, look at that, look at that. Isn't she gorgeous? This one is on Mifa. Dip powder set include 6 dip powders. So let's see the colors, shall we? I'm so excited, guys. Don't you? Ew, look at those. Okay, I'm not gonna take them out for now. I'm only gonna show them because yeah, we have a lot more to show. Beautiful, right? Really love this one. So yeah, we definitely need to do a video swatching those. Okay, look at that. So this is one of a freebie that Model 1s sent me. So let's see if we can open this puppy up, and we can. Look at that. Ooh. So we have like a little cuticle stick. We have, okay, this one is very dangerous. Okay, if you don't know how to use it, don't use it. That's a golden advice I can give you, because this little dude is a knife, very sharp. You use it to remove like that cuticle right there. See how sharp it is, guys? So yeah, if you use it for the cuticles, please, I cannot stress enough about it, but be very careful, because I don't know if you can see it right there. Yeah, this is a sharp tool. This is also a perfect tool if you want to open like the seals from gels. Perfect tool. I will show you later how you can use this for that, and I think I actually gonna keep it for this. Next one, we have some toe separators. Bam, very cute, very cute. Of course, in black. And you guys know this girl loves her some black. We also received like a beautiful, amazing files, a 100, 180 that says Model 1s, with some gorgeous flowers, and also put in this kit removal dedicated. So these are acetone pots. If you want to remove your nails, you can tear this open on the line, push it open, put your finger inside, fold it on 2 sides, wait a couple of minutes, and if you have a soak off gel, it's gonna soak off with that. Really neat indeed. So yeah, basically I can conclude that this is like a little removal package. Really cute, isn't it? Okay, next thing that is sent me as a present. Ooh, I'm so happy with that. Look at that, look at that. It's a sun mini lamp. How cool is that, guys? Let's see which color they have sent me. I really hope it's the pink one, because guys, you know me, I'm a pink lady. Yes! Oh my goodness, yes. Look at that, we have the pink one. She is so freaking adorable, isn't she? And trust me, guys, these little UV lamps are the bomb. Okay, the bomb. Like if you are traveling, if you don't have a lot of room with you, definitely get you one of those, because they are amazing to cure your products. Okay, so it also comes with a USB cord, very easy to use. You can even use it with a power bank. So yeah. So let's see, because I received another present. Yeah, a lot of presents with this that I ordered. Ooh, look at that. Do you already know what it can be? I know, I know. Are you ready for it? Because there we go. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, look at that. Modelones sent me 5 colored gels with the brand Azure. So yes, Azure is also a sister company, so I'm gonna take all of them out. Just got me a swatching wheel. Ooh, I think she is a black one. Look at her. Ooh, beautiful. You can never go wrong with a good black, right? So wow, I can already tell that she is working great, guys. She really is. Look at that. Only 1 coat, looking gorgeous. So let's see my second one. I'm gonna do 2 coats, but I'm gonna do like the other coat off screen. Oh my goodness, look at her. Right? I think you call it like a wine red or like a maroon red. Let me know, okay? Let me know how you would call this one. I would call this one a gorgeous. Oh my goodness, look at her. Gorgeous. It's like she also have like a kind of a fuchsia. I don't really know, guys. I think we need to wait for the second coat to see the true color. Oh my goodness, I love this color. I hope she's gonna perform more darker with the second coat though, but I think she will come through. Oh my goodness, look at her. Beautiful, right? Let's see what she is. Ooh, we have a white one. Let's put her next to the black one, shall we? Wow. Let me tell you, the consistency of those gels are amazing. Look at that. Are you freaking kidding me? That is only 1 coat. Look at that, guys. Say what? Let me scrape some off because, yeah, I think I went a little bit too much on her. We don't want her to wrinkle. Always be careful when you use a black or a white, okay? Because, yeah, you have a lot chance to wrinkle, but look at that beautiful white. Oh my goodness. Okay, next. Ooh, look at her. We have a beautiful pink one. Let's place her next to this beautiful dark one. Oh wow. It's like an old rose, you know, like how do people call it, like a dusty pink? Oh my goodness, she is gorgeous. Look at her. Ooh. Keep in mind, all of these are only 1 coat for now. Oh wow. Modelones, I'm so happy with this cute present, let me tell you. Okay, we have another pink for the last one. Ooh, and she is a true Barbie pink, guys. Oh my goodness, look at her. I even don't think I have a true Barbie pink yet in my collection. Oh my goodness, look how gorgeous. So here you see all the colors. 1 coat, I'm gonna cure them, do the second coat, and then you're gonna see me back, okay? So my nails are in the lamp and I already did a second coat of color. and also applied a shiny and a matte Macart top coat over them. So, are you guys ready to see how they're looking? Oh my goodness. So, like you can hopefully see, the top of them are shiny, but the lower part I did with the matte. So yeah, what do you think, guys? I really love them. Also, look at the black and the white. Oh my goodness, these are just stunning. I really love this color. I think it's like a maroon. I don't know, guys. If you know how you call this if you know how you call this color, let me know, okay? English number 1 again, guys. Gorgeous. And look how even they are. Oh my goodness, yeah. Definitely a big sassy from me. Ooh, look at them. We have some beautiful seashells, and we also have some amazing cross sounds, so beautiful. And we also received some gorgeous lips, perfect for Valentine. Do you also already feel Valentine hanging in the air? Because I know I am. Okay, guys, now the most important part of this video. This is also something that I received for free. Can you already tell what it's gonna be? And I received something else free. I must say though, this is not the one that they were showing up on the website. But hey, as long as it works, I'm happy with it. Bam! It's an acrylic number 12 brush. Ooh. So like you can see here, I also received not one, but 2 acrylic liquids, monomers. And I believe they are the slow settings. Let me take them out. Yep, it's the slow setting. You can see it. So, here is the brush that came with it. Beautiful. And of course, we're gonna swatch everything that came with that monomer and that brush. Because, honey, let me first clean this up so I have some place, okay? This is one batch. This is 2 batches, and it's still not all. This is 3 batches, all acrylics. Are you freaking kidding me, guys? Oh my goodness. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna open them right now, because let me tell you, I have 51 in total, 51 different colors. So I think I'm gonna do that in another video, so we can swatch them at the same time. Just to let you know, guys, I never ever played with the Model 1 acrylic before, so yeah, I am dying. Yeah, dying. So, oh yeah, I also have one bigger one. This one. Beautiful color, isn't it? This is number 08. So yeah, we're gonna swatch all of these in another video or a live stream. If you want to see me doing it in a live stream, let me know on my Instagram, okay? Because YouTube is probably gonna close my comments again, we already know. So yeah, if you want to see me swatch all of them in a live stream, let me know on my Instagram, okay? I'm probably gonna ask you the same thing on my Instagram as well. So, but yeah, what do you think? I am super excited, guys. I cannot wait to try them out, because I already hear so much things about those acrylics. So yeah, I wanna try it. So guys, for this video, I'm gonna leave it with what we have. I really hope you like this little Modelones haul. And yeah, I hope to see you back the next time. Geef deze beertjes een brul. And stay sassy. Bye bye everybody. Love you all.